was actually hungry. Oh, wow. Hey, guys, welcome to another episode of Cook Up, right here with your favorite chef, Chef Patrick. But guess what? Chef, we do eat too, and we gotta eat because we feed a whole lot of people up inside here. I'm having a chopped salad. Inside this chopped salad, we have avocado, we have bacon bits, we have goat cheese, we have tomato, we have cucumber, with balsamic vinaigrette. It is off the chain. So I'm enjoying this, but tonight, we have performing tonight on stage inside BB King's. We have Angie Stone. It is gonna be a blast. And I'll be making for her tonight. We'll be doing a coconut shrimp with an apricot duck sauce, and we're doing a coconut curry salmon. We're going coconut theme tonight. There's a whole lot of story about coconut. We're going coconut. And tonight's show, we expect to have a full sold out house. So I'm gonna be rocking it tonight. Angie's gonna be rocking it. We're just gonna have a blast tonight. Whatever you do, you stay tuned and keep it right here and keep it locked because I'm gonna go in the kitchen. So you guys are gonna leave me and let me finish my salad. We're gonna go in the kitchen and me and you are gonna put the bad boy together, coconut shrimp and all of that. So do me a favor. We're gonna wrap in a little bit, but let me eat my salad. Okay, give me a break. I'll be right back. And I'll catch you in the kitchen, all right? Okay guys, I took care of my stomach and I'm good. I had a wonderful chopped salad, which was real great. So tonight, we are performing tonight. We have Angie Stone. She's gonna put it down tonight on stage. And for her, I'm gonna be making a coconut shrimp that's gonna be served with an apricot duck sauce. And I'm also gonna be doing a coconut curry salmon. So listen, all the ingredients that we need is right here. So I'm gonna start putting this bad boy together. Me and you together, we're gonna do this together. All the recipe and all the ingredients you need is on the website. So follow along as we put it together. So one of the main ingredients that you will need, you're gonna need your shrimp. You're gonna need your shrimp. And I strongly recommend using 1620 P&D. P&D in restaurant terminology or chef terminology mean peel and devein. So whenever you buy your shrimp, you're gonna get it, the shell off, peel and devein. You're gonna make a nice cut right in the back, and you're gonna take out the vein. And you have your shrimp nice and clean, nice and pretty. Some of the ingredients that you're gonna need, tempura. Tempura batter is something that you can find in any one of your local store, your local supermarket. You can get it, and you can also make your home. Now, tempura batter we have right here, and tempura batter is real simple. It's made from flour, cornstarch, salt, pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, onion powder. So we have the tempura batter right here. We also have garlic powder. We have some obey. We have some onion powder. And we have our sweetened, shredded coconut. Main ingredients. Now, you may ask, what's going on with the coconut theme? Now, tonight, to celebrate Caribbean and celebrate Caribbean people all over, coconut is something that we use all the time. You talk about the rice and beans, you can't do without your coconut. We talk about the liquor, you have it in the rum, you have so many things that you can do with coconut. You have the juice, you have the meat. This is something that a lot of people like to eat. You go to the Caribbean, you stop in the corner of the street, you can get a coconut, they chop him off real good, make him look like this, put a nice little straw in it, and you stand in the corner and you have a coconut juice. And there's so many things that coconut is used for. One of the other trick thing too, again, that I have, you probably wondering, what is this? Okay, every episode, as you know, with Chef Patrick, you hanging with me, I'm always gonna have something to bring to your attention. This is called a prickly leaf. Prickly leaf is good for a whole lot of things. A lot of nutrition values inside this. The ladies use it It's good for facial, it's good for belly ache, it's good for pain, it's good for even eating. You can even cut it, you can dice it, you can saute it. It have a little bitter taste to it, but even so be the case, it is still good for you. It's good for your blood. Stay tuned. I'm going to give you a lot more values on this, but we're going to get back into this bad boy right here and put it together. So, as I run down the ingredients that we need right here. All right, so now we're going to put this bad boy together. So, take up your tempura, and you're going to go with 6 ounces of tempura batter. I'm going to pour that in. You're going to go with 1 teaspoon garlic powder. Your Old Bay, you're going to go with another teaspoon, your Old Bay, and you're going to combine all of this together real nice. A little trick. You're home and you're trying to open your beer, can't find a opener, guess what you do? Grab a spoon. Grab a spoon. Look at this. You're going to take your finger and you're going to put your finger right up to the head of it. See? Just like that. You're going to take the spoon and you're going to hold the spoon like this. You're going to do like this. You're going to let your finger, this is what you're doing. This is what you're doing. Come right down close to it, make him nice and tight. What you know about that? You ain't know nothing about that, but you're going to learn today. All right? And guess what? We're going to go for probably 4 ounces. Pour that bad boy in. 4 ounces. I'm going to whisk him up. Whisk this bad boy up. Look at that. It's exactly what you're going for. You're going for a nice consistency. And the more you whisk him, is a more harder and more firmer it start becoming. All right, see? Nice. Another thing, I'm going to show you another trick. Your leftover beer, guess what you do? Get a glass. You're probably wondering, what am I going to do with this? I got plans for this, but stay tuned and watch. Get a glass and put the glass right there. I'm going to come right back and show you what's going to happen. See, you whisk it and it becomes nice and have a nice little firmness to it, and that's it. So you're going to take your shrimp, you're going to lay them out a little bit, lay them out real nice. Going to take a little bit of the garlic powder, a little bit of the onion powder, and a little bit of the Old Bay. And you're going to kind of season this bad boy up a little bit. You don't want to add no salt to it. You don't want to add no salt, because the reason why you don't want to add no salt, because the Old Bay already have a little bit of salt to it. So you're good with that. All right? All right, this is what you're going to do. You're going to take that, you're going to put that aside. You're going to take your coconut. You're going to lay your coconut out. Real nice. Lay that bad boy out. You're going to take your shrimp, one by one. You're going to take it and you're going to drop it right in your batter. Right in your batter, you're going to drop it. You're going to take him up. Kind of mix them up a little bit. My hands are clean, so make sure that your hands are clean as well. I'm gonna drop them right in your coconut. Drop them right in your coconut. Just rub them all over and drop them right in your coconut. So, I'm gonna do that. And one other thing, make sure you have a nice clean rag to use. Wipe your hands off. And we already have our oil, nice vegetable oil, temperature, not too hot, because you want them to be, you want them to have a nice golden brown finish. Take a little bit of your coconut that's left, sprinkle right on the top. Now you're gonna take them and you're gonna kind of toss them around a little bit so the coconut can kind of stick to it. See? Coconut stick to it. Nice. Do the same thing. And you're so much going to enjoy this, because this is a 1620 shrimp. Like, this is You have U10, you have so many other sizes that you can use, but you can't go wrong with the 1620. Look at that, nice. Rub them up real good. Nice, that's what I'm talking about. The tempura batter is gonna make it stick and make it fry, and the coconut is just gonna stick and stay right onto it, right onto your shrimp. And there you go. That's what I'm talking about. So, we're almost ready to take this bad boy over to our fryer that's nice and hot. And while Angie's doing her thing on stage, guess what I'm gonna do now? While I'm taking this over, remember I told you about this glass and this Corona, and also your favorite beer you have right there next to you inside your kitchen. Guess what you're gonna do? You're gonna pour a little bit, just a little bit. They say don't drink and drive, but guess what? We're gonna drink and cook. Follow me.
Look at you, running around like a damn fool. You're so busy accusing me when it's your insecurity. Looking at my beauty past shadow, like love is a matter. So tick-tock, to hear the word, can I live?
Welcome back, Temple family. So now we're over by the stove and we have the oil. It's hot, but you can't make it too hot because one thing you don't want to do, you don't want to burn your shrimp and you don't want to burn the coconut. So you're going to keep it nice temp. And the way how you check the temp, especially when it comes on to shrimp, you're going to take one of your shrimp and you're going to kind of tease it a little bit. And you see how fast it bubbles and how fast it starts frying. That kind of tells you how hot is your shrimp. So if you realize when I drop it, it only fries a little bit. So you go ahead and you drop them in, and you drop them in. Drop them in. You can turn the stove down a little bit. Drop them in. Let them fry. Whatever you do, don't mess with him right now. Let him take his own little time. And at the same time, I'm gonna grab a tongue and you're gonna turn him on. One of my guys, bring me a tongue, please. I need a tongue, now. You see, that's what happened. It's hard to get good help around here. I need a tongue, now. Thank you. See, that's a teamwork right there. So you grab your tongue, and you're gonna turn this bad boy right over. See, getting a nice golden brown. You're actually trying to go for probably like, I would say top is probably about a minute. Because shrimp cooks real fast, it cooks real fast. You don't have to go through a whole bunch of long cooking. In about a minute, nice fry, nice golden brown. See, you're getting that nice golden brown, that's exactly what you're looking for. As I say, you can just watch it for a little bit. You don't want it to cook too quick, so you just keep it just like that. So now you're getting that nice little golden brown that you're looking for. Also make sure when you take it up, you can look at the inside and you'll see. One other thing that you can also use too, when you want to know if your shrimp is cooked, when it's translucent, you know that it's not ready. When you look at it and it's nice white, nice milky white, that's where you are. That's what you actually want to get. That's when you know that it's almost done. And you take this bad boy, turn him over a little bit, and you're right on the money. That's it. See? As I said, we're looking for about a minute cooking time. So right now, we're about a minute. And we're gonna start taking this bad boy out one by one. See? As you can see, the coconut sticks right onto it. And it's all because of that tempura. That tempura batter that you did with your favorite beer, this is it. This is it. That's what you're actually shooting for. That's what you're shooting for. You're shooting for nice golden brown, something look this pretty, nice and crispy, and you're gonna get that nice little charge. So stay with me and we're gonna put this bad boy together.
So this song, looking me like the blue glass that you shattered. Little shit like love doesn't matter anymore. If it was a bigger you, so deep gone. Can't let up long enough to get over it. Brother, can I live? Can my sister live? Yeah. Some of your sugar. Listen, I want some of your now baby, it took a true for me to get over you. I didn't think I could make it, but my faith in God said I could share this.
Okay guys, welcome back, and you're back again with your favorite chef, Chef Patrick Simpson, in the building with you, only on Cook Up, only on Tempo. Tonight, we're inside BB King's, and we have Angie Stone tonight. She's gonna rock the stage. But before we go into all of this, just to recap where we were, we're doing a coconut shrimp tonight with an apricot duck sauce, and we're doing a coconut curry salmon as an entree for Angie. So, listen, all the ingredients, we went through all the ingredients, they're all on the website. So make sure you follow through and stay in touch with everything that's going on here, because this is all about a coconut theme right here. So we're dealing with plating right now. You're gonna take this bad boy up, and normally when you buy it, you can warm it up a little bit, put it in your microwave for like a minute. You can add some pepper to it, give it a little bit of twist, and you're good. So we're going with something real simple, real easy. And there you go. You're gonna take your coconut. You're gonna let your coconut sit like right on it. Right in the middle. Let that bad boy sit right there. Let him sit right there. Let me tell you something about food. No matter what people tell you, this is hard right here. This is hard. So don't let nobody tell you anything different about food. They say if you love what you do, you never work a day in your life. Guess what? Guess what? I haven't worked a day in my life. What do you know about that? Because guess what? I love what I do, and I make it easy right here on Cook Up, right on Tempo. Here we go. That's what I'm talking about. Coconut shrimp with an apricot duck sauce. Angie, I got you, boo. We're gonna rock this bad boy together. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna take this over to some of Angie's fans that's in the line, waiting for her. We're gonna go grab someone from the line right now to partake in this. So whatever you do, keep it locked right here on Cook Up, right on Tempo. We're gonna go grab someone right now. All right. Look at this. Look at this, guys. I have two lovely ladies here tonight on Cook Up on Tempo, and they're outside in the line. And tonight they come to see Angie Stone. What's going on, ladies?
Just here at BB King celebrating my birthday tomorrow.
Hey, go shorty. It's your birthday. We're gonna part. Yeah,
I love
and
Angie.
you're in the right spot.
Yes.
You're in the right spot. So talk to me about Angie. Talk to me what brings you guys here.
I just seen her walk in a few minutes ago and we waiting for the show to start.
Okay, okay. You're the birthday girl.
Yes, I'm the birthday girl.
How does it feel to be 21? Now you can do all the bad stuff.
Now I can drink, right?
Now you can drink and party and turn up.
Yes,
That's
we
what
definitely
I'm
gonna
talking
turn
about.
up the whole weekend.
All right. You see, listen, man, Angie's going to put on a show tonight. And it's a pleasure having you on Cook Up. So now, if anyone was looking for you, they're going to know where to find you, right on Tempo. I'm
Yes.
just letting you know right now.
Yes, thank you for having me.
It's official. Talk to me. Where are you ladies from?
I'm from Brooklyn.
Brooklyn, stand
Yes.
up.
Brooklyn, New York.
Hey,
I'm
stand
here.
up. Yep.
I'm Valerie. I'm from the Bronx.
BX, stand up. It's my neck of the hood right there. BX, I'm also from the Bronx. So that's what I'm talking about. So you know what? You ladies are going to have a blast tonight. Which one of her songs is your favorite?
I love all of them.
Yeah?
I love everything. All her music. And she's so pretty.
Yeah?
Yes.
You want to show her that you have your little American Idol thing?
Yes.
Yeah?
No.
You want to get your singing
No, but I
on?
could be a stylist. I could be a stylist. I don't want to sing.
Oh, you're stylist.
Yes.
Okay, wonderful.
Yes.
So, Angie, hit her up. You're stylist.
Yes.
Yeah, what about you, Mom? You want to do your singing thing too? You want to sing one of Angie's songs tonight?
I'm here to just admire and experience and love and embrace all her beauty.
That's what I'm talking about. All right. So, guys, coconut shrimp, apricot duck sauce. You guys been to the Caribbean?
Oh, yes.
Where you been?
Jamaica.
Jamaica, stand up. That's what I'm talking about.
No, I haven't yet.
You
But
been-
my family is Panamanian. So.
Panamania, you be okay?
Yes.
And you, I know you have a couple of Jamaican friends.
Yes,
You've been
yes,
around some
yes.
coconuts.
Oh, yes. We was just at Juve partying.
Oh, okay, okay.
We was at the parade.
Oh, you were at the parade. Oh, it was off the chain.
Yes.
It was crazy.
Yes, it was really nice.
Yeah. So guess what now, guys? You guys gonna sample coconut shrimp with an apricot duck sauce and a little lemon zest, and you guys gonna give me your thumbs up. Thumbs up. I'm not even gonna go thumbs down because we don't do thumbs down up
Right,
inside here.
okay.
On Cook Up, on Tempo, up inside BB King's. Angie Stone.
All
You have your
right,
personal chef in the building.
Bite into it.
Hey,
See what's.
let's see what Chef Patrick is cooking up. All right. Look at that. Oh my gosh, she just took the whole shrimp. Can you believe that? Look at that.
Oh, my gosh.
Yes, yeah.
That's really good. That's really good. That is really good.
She can't compose it. She can't even get it out yet.
This is good.
This is good. That's,
Good.
Yes, it's delicious.
I think I'm hired by her. you can see it on her face.
It's moist. It's tender. You can taste the sweetness.
Yeah.
It's very succulent.
The coconut, you could taste
Yeah.
it.
Yeah,
It's real
popped.
good.
It was a party in my mouth.
I never had a
Party in
shrimp
the
like
mouth.
that.
Listen, man. It
Yeah.
was.
Wow.
Yeah, I never had a shrimp like that before. I
sound
thought I
like
done tasted all, but this right here, this is good.
This is on the money. So
Yeah.
you know what? This is probably going to be your appetizer that's going to come out to your table.
Oh,
You guys,
okay.
I'm happy you guys are in the building.
Yes.
I'm happy you guys are here with me, hanging out on Cook Up, only on Tempo. So listen, you guys gonna have a blast tonight. You're gonna have a heck of a show, and I'm gonna come out to your table, sit, rap with you, chop it up for a little bit, and we're gonna turn up for your birthday, and we're gonna
Yes.
let it do what it do. You wanna give a shout out to anyone, because I know you got family down in Jamaica. You wanna give a shout out to anyone, because they're tuning in to Cook Up on Tempo all over the Caribbean. So you better hit them up, because they're gonna be mad. They see you and you didn't hit them up.
Okay, I give a shout out to Cheryl McKenzie, Jamaica.
All right.
I want to give a shout out to all my Panamas, the Abney family, the Lynch family, the farmers, and I'm turning up on my birthday. Thank you.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Panama. DJ Nari is in the building. So you know what? We're all over. There's no place you're ever gonna go and Tempo is not in the building. So learn today. Happy birthday. On the behalf of Tempo, BB Kings, Chef Pat, it's your night. Enjoy it.
Thank you.
Hey, what am I gonna toast with? Turn up. That's what I'm talking about. That's how we do it right here on Cook Up on Tempo. We show mad love. Keep it locked. Angie, I'm coming through.
So many upstairs come to complain. Got me feeling free. I ain't thinking nobody but you. Can't take a chance on nobody new. Said I'm feeling everything you do. Your love is gangster. I wanna thank ya. Love it when you love me, babe. I love it when you love me down. Oh, 'cause you know I love you, babe. You know I really love you down.
Okay guys, we're back again and you're back with your favorite chef, Chef Patrick Simpson. Now, we're gonna go into the entree for Angie Stone, which is gonna be a coconut curry salmon, which is gonna be of the chain. She's gonna definitely enjoy it, you're gonna enjoy it, and I'm gonna enjoy making it. Some of the ingredients that you're gonna need, which is real good, real easy to find, you're gonna need some fresh thyme, some scallion, some red bell pepper, some green bell pepper, some curry. Now, you know curry. You know we Caribbean folks, we love our curry. From the curry chicken, to the curry roti, to the curry goat, to the curry veggie stew. You name it, we can do magic with curry. So this we're gonna do tonight, curry. I also like to use curry with a little bit of spice to it. A couple of different brands carry it with a little bit of spice. When you smell it and it's real strong in flavor, that's what you want to go for. And we also have our onion, nice diced onion. And once again, guess what we have? We have our coconut again. Our coconut milk, and that's going to be the secret ingredients right there. Now, everything that you need to put together is right here and also on the website. So we're going to put this together. We're going to go right over to the stove and we're going to put this bad boy together and leave it to simmer and give it a couple minutes. And listen, man, you're in for a treat with this coconut curry salmon. Angie's going to love it. You're going to enjoy it. Stay tuned. Keep it locked right here on Cook Up on Tempo. Follow me.
Whenever you're facing down, brothers don't work. Overreacting, living happy. I'm trying to get out before you get back in. Look at me. Never long as you look rent free. In my heart or in my head. Can't be back in my head.
Welcome back, Tempo family. So, we're gonna do the coconut curry salmon, and that's what Angie Stone is having tonight. That's one of her favorite. She loved coconut, she loved the curry, so we're gonna put this together. We went through all the ingredients that you're gonna need, so listen, me and you, together, this is what we're gonna do. Now we have our pot, nice and hot. You don't want it too hot because you don't wanna burn your curry too bad. One of the things that I like to do with curry, I like to burn my curry. But when I say burn, what you're doing, you're extracting the flavor from the curry by letting it char a little bit. So we're gonna go with about a tablespoon of curry. Drop that bad boy in. Look at that. Before you start adding anything to it, just let it fry a little bit. If you could only smell what I'm smelling, it is off the chain. So let it chart a little bit. And while it's charting, you're gonna take a tablespoon red bell pepper, drop that in. Drop that in, another tablespoon. Drop it in. You're gonna go for your onion, nice and diced. Another tablespoon again. Drop that in. You're gonna go for your scallion, about a tablespoon too. Drop that in. Okay. Your garlic, your fresh garlic, nicely diced. Tablespoon, drop that in. A little bit of onion powder, teaspoon. Garlic powder, teaspoon. And you're gonna take your time, and like we said in previous episode, you just wanna take off the leaf. Take off the leaf, drop it in, and listen to that. Listen to that pop. That's what you're going for. Listen to that. All right, you drop that in. You're gonna go for a little bit of Old Bay, not too much. I would say about a teaspoon. Drop it in. All right. Look at that. And just imagine what's happening right now. The curry flavor is actually burning right into all the seasoning that you just put in. Burning real nice. And you let it burn a little bit. See how pretty it look? See how pretty that look? Look at that. Look at that. Let it still burn a little bit. Let it burn a little bit for probably about a minute. Just let them stay there and burn a little bit. You don't need any salt because we got to watch our salt intake. So you really don't need any salt because you're going to get salt from the Old Bay that you put in before. So you let them burn. All right, now here comes the magic. You're going to take your coconut milk. You're going to put your coconut in. Look at that. See? Now we start changing a little bit. And your salmon, that you had your salmon. Now, what I did to these salmon, I kind of seared them a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, give them a little bit of pre-cook, and you're gonna put them right inside the sauce. Slide them right in. You're gonna take about, I would say 4 ounces of regular water, put right onto it. And look at that, just look at that. Who tell you that cooking ain't no fun? Listen, man, cooking is a whole lot of fun. Worse when you enjoy what you're doing and you enjoy preparing it. Now look at that. Look how pretty that start coming. So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna leave this to actually simmer down nice and slow for probably about, I would say about 5 to 6 minutes, because since the salmon was already cooked, you don't want to go too much because you want the salmon to be like nice, buttery, soft, but cooked, and it's perfect. You don't want to overdo it. You're shooting for actually a medium to medium rare salmon, because when you leave it in the liquid, it's actually going to cook a little bit more. So you don't want to cook it too much. And look at that. You see it's becoming nice and thick now? That's what you want to get. See, look at that. That's what you're going to get. So I'm going to leave it, turn the stove down a little bit so it can simmer nice and slow. And when we come back, we're going to do plating and we're going to do presentation. Angie's going to come over and she's going to have this bad boy. And we're going to talk and we're going to chop it up for a little bit. So stay tuned and keep it locked right here on Cook Up, on Tempo, inside BB King. Angie Stone, you're going to learn today. Welcome back, Temple family, BB Kings. You're in the building, and like I told you before, she's in the building, we're in the building, and tonight, this is where it's at. I'm here standing in front of one of my favorites artists of all time.
What?
This lady here, listen man, Temple, we're doing big things. Miss Angie Stone.
Oh, baby, you didn't have to go there.
Listen, I gotta go there for you. I gotta.
Look, they always say that the best way to a man's heart is through his stomach. I'm looking at this plate, and I'm needing to ask you, are you married?
No, I'm not.
Oh,
see, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. It's a wrap. That's what I'm talking about.
because this, I can't wait to eat it.
Oh my God, you're gonna so much enjoy this.
Tell me what we're working with here.
We're working with coconut curry salmon.
Hold up. Did you say coconut curry?
Coconut curry, because it's a coconut theme we're doing tonight. Look at this.
No, real coconut.
Real coconut. Before we get into this, we're gonna wrap a little bit.
Can I eat first?
You're gonna be.
Can I eat first?
No,
just
wait. You see, she can't wait, and I can't wait as well. But the people are so happy that you're here on Cook Up. You're with your favorite chef, your personal chef. You know what we do.
Yes.
That's what I'm talking about.
Look, I'm gonna need you.
And I'm gonna need you too.
Okay, because this, you got it looking so delicious in the body. It makes me think like, do you treat your women like you treat your food?
Yes, I do.
You do? Oh, wait, how many women do you have?
One, and it's just you. That's just you.
I'm flirting big time because he's a good cook. Okay.
Hey, it's what I'm talking about. It's what I'm talking about. Listen, you're gonna put it down tonight on stage.
Yes.
But away from that, where you been?
I've actually been pretty good, you know, just working hard and doing film, doing a little bit more television, producing and directing as well. So I'm excited about that. You know, when I grew up, I want to be like you, travel with me,
Okay.
put everybody on hold for a second and come cook for Angie.
That's what I'm talking about. I got that. But away from that, you've been to the Caribbean. I know that. You've been to mad Caribbean spot. No, your favorite.
My favorite spot? Oh, my favorite food.
Your favorite food or your favorite Caribbean island?
Oh,
Don't hurt nobody now. Don't
it's
hurt
kind
nobody.
of hard.
She likes all the Caribbean islands.
No, wait. The last time we were together was 10 years ago. I think that was my favorite time. When I was in there and you were cooking.
Oh, yeah.
You remember that?
Yes, I remember. Yes, I remember.
And that was in your hometown, right?
Yeah, that was in Jamaica. And
you, I had a red snapper.
red snapper.
Yes.
That's what I'm talking. That's what I'm talking about. But you know what? You've been a part of the Temple family. 2005, if I can remember. Niece.
Yes.
Temple.
That's right.
You put on a heck of a show. So listen, she's not new to the Temple family. You know?
Family.
She's not new to the Temple family.
Come back over there.
And she's officially back over there. So listen, me and this lady, and away from that, can the audience look out for a new album, new stuff coming out?
Okay, there's an album that I released in November of 2015.
Okay.
Called Dream. It entered the charts at number 3. You're going to hear some songs from that tonight.
Hey.
I'm actually getting ready to go in and do my first live CD.
Wow.
Never done a live CD.
Hey.
So maybe I'll just have to have you come cook for us.
I got you.
Got me.
You just say the word and I got you. Away from that, give the people a little bit more as to what to look out for from Angie Stone.
Well, I think you should look out more for my film and television dances. I'll say that because I'm also directing and producing my first show. It's called It's on Peachtree with Angela Carr Patterson. It's not about me in front of the camera, more about behind the scenes and creating episodes that I think you would love, bringing back television that's fun-filled, you know, variety-filled.
That's what I'm talking about. Yep.
I'm excited about that. I'm still doing my music. I have a management company now, and I'm managing a little girl group called 565.
Hey, 565.
That's right. So look out for them. They're exceptionally talented, 10 and 11 years old. And my kids are now venturing into the music industry. So, that's a tough one.
Do it up like mom.
You know, both my kids are good. My son, of course, he's doing his rap thing and his rap singing, and my daughter's writing and rapping as well, writing and singing. So I'm looking forward to that. So I think they're trying to tell me to retire.
No, can't do that. Not yet.
Okay,
We're not ready for that yet. We want a whole lot more of you. We ain't trying to let you go yet.
Okay.
Because I gotta feed you, I gotta massage. We got so much stuff that we gotta do together. We gotta feed and we gotta massage and we got a whole lot of stuff to do. Like me and this, you're gonna be seeing a lot more of us.
We get
right
ready
here,
to eat.
but we're getting ready to eat. Did I say I was gonna feed you? Oh yes, I did.
You did. Talk folks.
Yeah.
Father God, we bless this food. We thank you right now, God, for the chef, for everybody that's involved. This is some good eating, God, and I thank you that you allowed me to be the one to do it. Amen.
Heard him, man. You're gonna learn today. Only on Tempo, only on Cook Up. Listen, man. Guys, don't be mad. Don't be mad. Chef Patrick is gonna feed the lovely lady right here. Right live on the hair. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. You ain't know nothing about that. You ain't know nothing about that.
My.
Look at that.
Oh, wow.
You know what?
This is so
Don't hate, son.
delicious.
Don't hate, son.
Oh, my God.
Don't hate.
Can I have another piece of salmon?
Yeah. All right. Let me wait. Let me hold her.
I love this food. Oh, my God. As they would say, OMG.
Oh, that's what I'm.
Let me help you out with that.
Like, can I get my fork, please?
So, can I eat this for
Yes,
real?
you may.
OMG. Are you still filming?
So, guys, listen, man. While Miss Angie partake into this coconut curry salmon, we're gonna call it a wrap right here on Tempo, on Cook Up. Lovely Angie Stone in the building. So stay tuned, keep it locked right here on Cook Up, on Tempo. Just like I told you all the time, you never know what we're gonna come up with. So next time, me and her, we're gonna sit and we're gonna wrap with this and we're gonna talk and we're gonna also talk about some other stuff. So keep it locked right here on Cook Up, on Tempo. Let's go. We're off.